Oh, we have cute little new birds. Look at that.
Haircut Jasmine Jr.
Yeah. Jazz, oh.
They are so cute.
I hope not.
What were they chirping?
They're hungry and scared. I know the mother is just sick.
Terrified.
Oh.
They lost her little babies.
Look at that. We're gonna have to pick that bread out of there.
Well, no, we're gonna put them over in something. Then
Okay.
We're gonna get some straw and we're gonna make a little bed.
Oh,
Yeah, we're gonna be responsible for letting their little tail go.
I don't know. And how long do they have to live?
Then he said that until they get strong enough to fly.
Oh,
Oh,
These-
you know what? They got some tweezers out there for splinters.
yeah. Oh, y'all. So one of my coworkers bought this in here for us to take care of. And we don't know anything about this. I have no idea what to do. So cute. Okay, so another coworker decided to throw bread in there, but they don't even know how to turn around and even eat the bread. It's so sweet. Aww. Little bitty babies. See, that's the bread that they were trying to give them.
Y'all have a box?
Here, baby. Here, baby.
Do y'all have a box?
Yeah.